A clear start for anyone who wants to see their work, control their workload, and finish tasks with clarity. Kanban is far more than colorful cards on a board. It is a cognitive system designed to align with how the human brain actually manages focus, memory, and decision-making. Most people feel busy because they carry too many unfinished tasks inside their mind, constantly switching attention and mentally storing information, which drains energy and weakens performance. Neuroscience shows that our working memory cannot handle many simultaneous tasks. Every unfinished item quietly consumes mental bandwidth. Kanban solves this problem by externalizing work, making it visible, limiting multitasking, and building a logical flow from start to finish. You no longer need to remember everything, your board remembers for you. Instead of asking, "What do I need to do?" Kanban shifts the question to, "What truly needs to be finished?" This single shift replaces stress with clarity and scattered effort with controlled progress. Unlike heavy methodologies, Kanban does not demand full planning from the beginning. It respects uncertainty and adapts to change naturally. That is why Kanban works not only in software or factories, but also in personal productivity, content creation, project management, education, customer service, even daily routines. When used correctly, Kanban stops being a tool and becomes a mindset of clarity and momentum, where work becomes visible, manageable, and truly finishable. Why Kanban works? The core logic Kanban is built on two powerful truths. First one is work becomes faster when it becomes visible, and the other one is people perform better when they focus on fewer tasks. Humans do not struggle because they are lazy. They struggle because work is invisible, priorities are unclear, and multitasking destroys focus. Kanban creates structure without stress and control without rigidity. The Kanban board, your map of progress backlog. To do doing, in progress done. Each task is written on a card and moved through the columns as it progresses. The goal is not to start everything. The goal is to finish something. Kanban rules for beginners: visualize your tasks, move work from left to right, limit how many tasks are in doing. Identify bottlenecks, improve continuously, Kaizen, work in progress, WIP, the genius element. Doing, max 2 tasks. If you already have 2 tasks in doing, you cannot start a new one. You must finish before starting more. This simple rule upgrades your productivity. Benefit: more focus results with faster completion, less stress results with higher quality, clear workflow results with measurable progress. WIP limits are one of the smartest mechanisms in project management, and they exist only to protect human cognition. Flow. The real goal of Kanban, the purpose of Kanban is flow, not speed. A task stuck for too long equals a blocker. That is your signal to stop starting and start finishing. Kanban teaches, speed is not created by working harder, but by removing friction. Continuous improvement. Kaizen. Kanban is never complete. You keep evolving it. Add a review column if needed, measure average task duration, update priorities daily, remove bottlenecks and wasted time, automate repetitive tasks. Small improvements, done consistently, create remarkable efficiency. Kanban for personal life. You can use Kanban today for daily productivity, studying, learning, PM, YouTube content creation, software tasks, fitness, health goals, job search, business planning. Common beginner mistakes: starting too many tasks, ignoring WIP limits, too many columns, no daily review, treating it like a simple to-do list. Kanban is not decoration. Kanban is discipline, visibility. Kanban is not just a productivity method, it is a discipline of clarity. It teaches us that progress is rarely blocked by lack of effort, but by invisible workload, uncontrolled multitasking, and unclear priorities. When work becomes visible, it becomes manageable. When it becomes manageable, it becomes finishable. And when tasks consistently move to done, motivation rises and momentum begins. That is why elite teams and high-performing individuals use Kanban, not to work harder, but to work smarter with calm precision. Even a simple 3-column board, to do, doing, done, used with discipline for just 1 week, can reshape your thinking and increase your output significantly. The Kanban mindset creates stability without rigidity, flexibility without chaos, and progress without stress. The best moment to begin is now, because flow doesn't start tomorrow. Flow starts today.